It is a grow garden. We are having fun for playing a new event. Sorry if my voice is low. My voice is low because I am shy for showing you my avatar, but I need to show you my avatar. Or maybe you want a face reveal, but I can't because you're gonna laugh at it. Um, oh, thank you, man. I like honey, but I don't like it that much. That's so mean. Ah, what is? It's coconut, and white beanstalk is like almost. That's how did. Okay, pollinated beanstalk. But how about beanstalks? How about beanstalk? Eat it, eat it. You don't like it? You know what? I'm gonna sell it. Ah. Mm, okay, that's good. My avatar is this. It's a bacon. Beaky bacon. And I have 0 Robux. I buy the face and the spring flower. Don't mind the sprinkler. I was making the fruit giant. I need last one sprinkler. The master sprinkler. Show me the gift shop. Okay. Wait, I really love bamboo. Let me buy bamboo. Yay, bamboo. Yay. Yay. Okay, now I'm gonna relax. Bamboo. Bamboo. Why I can't put bamboo? A little space in here. I'll put bamboo in here because this one is for flowers only. That one. Yeah. I'll put bamboo here. Oh, my pet is walking. I see my pet. What is it? What is he or she doing? Last time I got a long giant bamboo, but those beggars want it. And my sister wants it. It's kind of sad because she didn't tell me she wants a long giant bamboo. But she got long giant bamboo. Here are the pollinated blueberry, I think. Okay, I found pollinated shocked dragon fruit. I can't reach. Okay. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now let's put dragon fruit. Bahahaha. I'm recording. How did it happen? It didn't happen like being stuck in bamboo. Okay. I'm lagging. GGG. Beanstalk or carrot? You're gonna do my challenge to fall under. Just kidding. Are you gonna fall in here in real? I mean in there in real life? Alright, this is a private server. No one is gonna beg for more fruits. If I move my hand slowly, it's my finger is hot. I accidentally press advanced sprinkler. Now that's 10 minutes. Oh my god. 10, 10, 11, 10, 12, 13, 10, 16, 10, 17, 10, 18, 10, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm so bad at counts. Okay. Why did I move? Why did I move and my screen is moving? It's only one finger. Look, do you see the mini circle. I did. Don't mind the sound. Now 11 minutes. Is there master sprinkler? I hope so. No, there's no master sprinkler. Oh my god, I like this one. I need to build my house because it's not done yet. It's still ugly. If you wanna know how to play, just watch until the end. If you know how to play, then don't watch until the end.
Tama ba itong dinadak sa akin?
Oops.
Naalala mo yung amount na pinagsusulat mo? Ano nga
I
yan?
accidentally moved the floor. I don't know how to.
24222.31? Tututo talaga yan?
I'm so bad at doing house. You know what? I'm delete. Okay, no. Turn back into a noob, but just pretending. If you don't have your farm and you don't have fruits, go to your garden. If you have no money or you have a little money, you have to buy some seeds and you will get a lot of money. Buy some carrot seed. Now you have to plant carrot seed anywhere where you want to put. I don't need carrot in my garden. Okay. Not giant carrot. Now here's what you can sell. Say sell your inventory to let him get all of your items. Say I want to sell this to let him get one item. Say I want to sell my inventory. Let's check. Okay. Now you don't have your carrot, so you have a strawberry. Now I'm going here. A monster! Don't mind that I say a monster. Maybe later for the bamboo, but I'm recording. Buy strawberry seed. Strawberry. Okay, I don't need strawberry. But I like strawberry. This one is the secret base for my strawberry. Don't mind that. This one is my secret base, but I'm pretending to be a noob. Your strawberry is growing so fast, and then you have to wait. My rose is bigger than strawberry. This is not how strawberry is like that. What is this?
Kaya hindi tayo mamoblema. Buffer. Kung hindi tayo mamoblema, after 3 years, bayad na natin yung isang loto. Ha?
And there is a
Alin?
strawberry. Gippy
So, dapat
strawberry.
Hindi, labs yun.
Gippy.
Pero nasabi ko, parang hindi tayo mamoblema.
Hamburgo.
Hanggang kailan yung sideline.
Hamburgo.
Sino yung humihigpit-higpit?
Hamburgo.
Kaya ngayon, may
Naman.
keyboard and
Bye.
mouse click tracking na siya. Sinesting ko kanina, 2 hours ako recorded niya
That's not a
0
strawberry.
hours.
It's a mango growing near at the strawberry. The big strawberry.
sakali, hindi lang
A tiny strawberry.
problema dyan. Plano ko,
A tiny strawberry than a big
doon ako lagi
strawberry.
gagawa sa
I never get
laptop. Pero bihira lang
biggest
kasi ako
strawberry
gumawa.
ever.
Kaya,
Don't
tapos
mind
magdedemand ako
my
ng
dad
ano,
and mom.
baka mag-demand na rin ako ng
Like,
laptop.
okay
Hindi
na.
ko ang tracker ko kasi is ibang
Lucky na.
device. Papanggit mo talaga sa ibang device kasi hindi I can't afford to have my other device to be taken a screenshot kasi may iba, hindi lang ako gumagamit noon. So kung gusto niyo mag-screenshot, kailangan personal device ni Kinetic yon, di ba?
If you see these,
Kasi sabi ko, niraran ko lang yung screen monitor sa ibang device. Pero sa ibang device ako nagwo-work kasi mabagal yung isa ko. Kasi yung mabilis kong device ay hindi lang naman ako
watering
gumagamit. Pati wife ko, sabi ko
speeds
ganon.
up
May work siya doon.
the
So,
plant
hindi pwede mas-screenshot ko ng
10 uses. Trowel moves plant.
Ha?
5 uses.
Anong plano kong gawin?
Recall teleports to gear shop.
Mag-screenshot, mag-provide kayo
5
ng
uses.
training, di ba?
Basic
Wala mo
sprinkler.
kayong pera pang provide.
Last increases growth speed and fruit size.
Kids, ano
Plus
kaliya?
5.
Kids.
Alright, bye bye. Sorry, I'm gonna go eat.